Hi, I'm Chef Maria Liberati, author of the Gourmand World Award-winning cookbook series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking, and I'm here today in Harleysville, Pennsylvania at Gaiman Design and Remodeling. I'm in their kitchen showroom, and today I'm making a spinach, cheddar cheese, and onion omelet. Okay, I've taken 2 ounces of fresh spinach and I chopped it, about a tablespoon of fresh onion chopped, and we have a tablespoon of cheddar cheese shredded. Oh, and I can't forget my tablespoon of olive oil. So to make our filling first, I sauteed the chopped spinach, the onion, and the olive oil all together and made a nice mixture, sauteed that together just for about 3 minutes so the spinach and the onions got flavored with the olive oil, and just about until the onions started turning a golden brown. Now we're going to make our omelet. Our filling is ready. I took 2 eggs and whisked them together. And again, you can just use a wire whisk or a kitchen fork if you'd like. And we're going to add just a pinch of pepper and a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to pour this in a non-stick pan. If you don't have a non-stick pan, please use a tablespoon of olive oil or a tablespoon of butter. Okay, we're ready to pour. I've let some butter melt. About a half a teaspoon of butter has melted in the pan, and you can see it got nice and white and foamy. Don't burn your butter. Be sure not to burn butter before you put your omelet in the pan. And if you're using oil, olive oil has a higher burning temperature, so it's a little bit easier to use. But either way, just don't burn the butter. Be sure to make sure that all the edges are not sticking to the pan. I have a non-stick pan here, so it is not sticking at all, and of course I use my butter. But be sure the edges are not sticking to the pan so you can pull out your omelet. Okay, now we're ready to plate the omelet. Plate my cheese omelet looks really good. Now I have this yummy, ooey gooey cheese omelet, and we are filling it with our spinach and onion filling. Fold this over. Ooh. And we have here, I have a spinach, cheddar cheese, and onion omelet. I'm Maria Liberati from the Gourmand World Cookbook Award-winning book series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking. I'm here in Harleysville, Pennsylvania at the Gaiman Design and Remodeling Kitchen Showroom. Thanks for watching.